Good morning, everyone. I'm Bilal Malik. You're watching bmtechnet, learning every day. Today, we are going to start our new module, which is Core Azure Services and Products. In this, we have to focus on the compute services that Azure offers. Basically, one thing I want to make clear here, Azure Compute basically is an on-demand computing services uh, for running any cloud-based applications, and it also give you like provides you the computing resources such as data disks, any disk. It could be OS disk, data disk, processors, memory, networking, and operating system. And the good thing about it is that it's always available on demand. And like I have said in my previous lectures, that it's always on your choice. Whenever you need, you can build it, and as soon as you are done with your work, you can deallocate or remove those resources. So by that, you definitely saves a lot of time, as well as your cost reduces a lot, which is the main objective, the ultimate objective of this. So the two common service types for performing compute in Azure are virtual machines and containers. We'll discuss about all these different elements one by one in upcoming videos and in this one as well. So here are some elements. Virtual machines are going to be covered in containers, serverless computing, and Azure App Service. So let's discuss about compute services which are in virtual machine services one by one. First of all, we have Azure VMs. Basically, it's an infrastructure as a service to create and use the VMs in cloud. So that lets you create and use virtual machines in the cloud, and can be used in a variety of different ways. Like when you need to have a total control over an operating system and environment. In that case, Azure virtual machines are the ideal choice. Then if we discuss about the VM scale sets, it's designed for automatic scaling of identical VMs. Like it was mentioned in my previous lectures that when you want to use VM scale set, so it has to be identical VMs all around. So in that form it forms and let you do the accomplish the requirement. So basically scale sets are an Azure Compute resource that you can use to deploy and manage a set of identical VMs with all VMs configured the same. The VM scale sets are designed to support auto scale without pre-provisioning of any VM. So you do not need to worry about adding up any new VMs by yourself. Scale set do it for you. Then comes the app services. It comes under the category of platform as a service, and by using that you can quickly build, deploy, and scale enterprise grade with web, mobile, and API apps running on any platform. You can meet ultimate performance, scalability, security, and you can say compliance requirements while using a fully managed platform to perform infrastructure maintenance. Azure functions are very unique, and you may say a very good addition to the bundle. Like it creates infrastructure based on an event. Like when you're concerned only about the code running your service, and not the underlying platform or infrastructure, that time you use Azure functions. So these are ideal. They are commonly used when you need to perform work in response to any event, like often via API request or something. It could be based on a timer or a message from another service which triggers that function. And as soon as that function is triggered, that work can be completed quickly within seconds, or maybe in less time, without any intervention of human intervention. Now let's discuss more about the Azure virtual machines. As I said, it's an infrastructure as a service. It gives you full control over the operating system you're running on, and the maintenance of that virtual machine and the patching of that machine is comes to you. like you are responsible for that, whereas Microsoft is only responsible for the infrastructure like networking and all that stuff. But for the rest of the thing, like management of the any server routine server you do, you have to do it by yourself. So the things you can keep in mind while creating a VM is the type of image you need to upload. Either it's going to be a Windows or Linux machine, then size of machine, what specs do you need, what sort of processor or RAM you need, then availability options. I have another video already uploaded for this. I'll put a link in the description of this video. It's in that you can explore about the availability zones and availability sets you need to set. You have to decide that while creating a virtual machine. Also, if in the continuity we discuss more, you can install custom softwares as you need, and there is no obligations. You can download from the marketplace or another, like you can also download from the web. So how it's going to save you money? It's basically about the using the auto shutdown feature, or you can also use the Azure function or any logic app by which you can automatically shut down your VM, or you can also do it manually. So if I refer to my previous slide, if you want to shut down machine on any specific event or on any specific time, you can use the Azure function for that. So enables hybrid cloud, familiar administrative model, like as you used to mention your general previous uh, servers in routine life. So lift and shift migration is very easy. Uh, there are two different options like for migration, and these are Azure Site Recovery and Azure Migrate. You can use any of these to migrate your resources from any resource, any subscription to subscription, or wherever you want to. So migration is possible using these two methods. We'll discuss both of them in upcoming videos. So I'll be creating a demo for a virtual machine, how to create a virtual machine, and I'll put the link in the description of this video as well. Hope this makes give you a fair enough idea about the um, first core service of Azure, which is virtual machine. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If yes, then click the like button and subscribe for our upcoming videos. You can also drop your suggestions and remarks in the comments below. Thank you.